Hey guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Gourmet vacuum cleaner, table cleaner by Starfrit. This was selling for $10 on Amazon, and yeah, pretty cool. Let's see. It feels like it's already been opened. So inside there's this. Nothing else. I don't get anything else. So instructions. So you get 2 AA batteries. Insert the batteries. Okay, so it uses AA batteries. They don't give you that AA batteries. Oh well. It's not a big deal. This is cool, very cool. They don't tell you how to open it. Okay, here. This is where you push, and that's how you open this thing. What do? You put the batteries in. Okay, so this is where the dust goes in. This is the dust. Just gonna have to close it. Alright, close. How do you open this? Okay, so you just open it like this. And you need 2 batteries. Here, I have 2 batteries. So, there's some Chinese lettering here. And so this is the plus sign. So this is where you put the plus sign. And this is the minus sign. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so let's put the thing back. Oh, you feel it. Okay. There's some problem. Hey, here you go. So this is a little thingy. Alright, so we're gonna do some testing. I'm gonna bring some salt. Just wait a second. So here I am. I'm just gonna put some salt here and test it. Oh, nice! It does the job. It's all clean. I do like it. I like it a lot. So I have my keyboard. I can use that to clean. Yeah. It's all clean. All clean. I like it a lot. It's really cool. I would buy it again. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you next time.